Back to Blaze Red EF. Today I'm just going to show you guys how to install a short shifter into an EF Falcon. So I've got the short shifter up here on the dash. So that's going to shorten up our throw and make faster gear changes and everything like that. And then we've also got the little sleeve. You're going to need one of these for the little pin up on the shifter here and in there, just to stop the wear and tear on it. You're also going to need some gasket maker, high heat or just standard stuff. I went with the high heat just because it was cheaper as well. So yeah, so to start off with, you need to pull your gear knob out. Anything that you have in here, take that out, and then just quickly pull out this little rubber mat, and then just get the screwdriver into that little bit there, and just apply out the pins, and then slide the boot off, and then that's what it looks like inside. And then we're going to need to take off this fascia plate so you can get to the screws behind there. Pull that out, just like that. Let's put that up on the dash. Alright, and then there's going to be a screw in that hole there. So right there. So you get a Phillips head screwdriver for that one. Let's put that in. Just quickly undo it. Alrighty, so once that one's undone, just reach in behind the cigarette lighter up here. You just got to pull it, and it should drop out like that. And then you got these two cords back here. One's your light for your ashtray, and the other is the power for your cigarette lighter. Just twist out that one there, and this one uses a little force. You just got to pull on it, and then it will just come out like that. And you just put that down on the floor with the boot. Alright, so once you're in here, you're going to need to undo this screw here and this one here, just to loosen up this little bit here so you can get that out. And then you also need to undo that one, and then there's one just there as well, and then that whole place here will come out. Right, so once that's done, you should be able to just lift it, pry it out, just pull it down and out, and that will be all good to come out. And just chuck that down with the rest of it. Then we just take out this little foam matting. A bit of protection, and there's that in there. So to get these out, you're going to need a ratchet and some sockets, or you could use some spanners, whichever you find easier, and we'll unbolt those. So just get your socket on there and just quickly loosen them all up. Just get them free. Alrighty, so once they're all out, you're going to need to undo these two here. They are 10mm screws, I'm pretty sure. We just grab our 10mm. Yep, they are. So we'll just get those out.
See it, drive safe.
There we go. And the next one. And just take those out, so that will get this whole piece off and will allow us to get this rubber thing past it. Once they're loose, that'll just come straight off, and then you can just put that down there as well. We shouldn't need that one later. Right, and then we got these little plastic clips in here, which can be a bit of a pain to get out. You just got to try and maneuver them out as best you can, just like that. And there's one in that back corner there, which is a bit annoying as well. Once that's out, you just pull that rubber over, and then your shifter is in there. There's a shifter there, so you got two bolts, one there, and then there's two back there. So we have to drop the bottom of the back of the gearbox down just to reach those bolts that are up in there. And then we should be able to get this whole old shifter off and be good to go. Alright, so once the gearbox is dropped, which it has a little bit, it'll just free up a little bit of space in there to get those bolts out. So those bolts look like they are a 13mm. Yep. Alrighty, so we'll just get the 13mm with the extension. them. Right, and then just put that on, and then just try and break it free. It could be a little hard. Stiff on there. I've been on there for so long. Thanks to Aidan from AusModified here helping me. Put a link to his channel in the description. So right now we're just trying to get this one off, and then we should be able to get the back one off here, and then we can take this shifter off and we'll have a look inside and put the new shifter on. Very dirty in there. There's like bits of dirt in the thread. I have to put heaps of WD-40 on this spanner when I'm done.
Paint your tail shaft red.
Yeah.
Also.
Well, I had it out and I didn't even need the new one, so.
Yeah, why not?
See if I can find it. There it is. There's always that one that's really hard to get to.
Want me to do it?
Just spray some WD-40 on that one as well. What is that?
Like and subscribe to Blaze Red EF for awesome Ford Falcon content.
This one go on. I had the big and they're tight.
Yeah, hang on a second.
Oh, there we go.
Easy.
Alright.
That was on there very tight, ladies and gentlemen.
After 23 years, I think they would be. Alright guys, now we're just trying to break the old sealant that's around the shifter, just to stop the dust and everything from getting in there. So we're just using a screwdriver and a hammer just to bash that out a little bit. It's slowly coming there. There we go, it sounded like it's popped off then on that side, so we should be able to just pull it out. There we go. So that's the old shifter there. Quite clean on the inside actually. And in there. Oh, wow. So the rubber seal in there is actually still okay, which is really, really weird. So I'll just quickly put that on this rag. Oh wow. Okay. Alrighty. So in there, looks like we got some transmission fluid in there. I'm actually really surprised at how good a condition that is. So I shouldn't need to actually change that.
Nah.
Although,
But does that fit?
yeah, what am I doing?
Lazy.
What? No. He's coming out of the tree.
Thicker. Let's do our squeeze cup a bit more off the nozzle.
actually do that.
Go around the bolt.
Yeah.
Dad's not here.
What? What does he want?
The ball. No.
He's supervising me doing my sealing.
Okay. Ceiling. He's not away for your ceiling. Mum wants me to mow the grass.
We just put that.
On, so we just sat it up in there and put the cup in. Yeah, we've put the first bolt in, so I'm just going to put all the bolts down and then we can work on the hold down bolts and everything else like that. Guys, so we've currently got the short shifter in now. So that's all in and bolted in. So now we just got to raise the gearbox back up and then we can start putting everything back together and take it for a test drive.
This might be an issue. Okay, let's get this top back up.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey? Yeah, I snapped your drill bit though. There's 10 mil.
Oh, why is that? Righty tighty, there we go.
Well, I'm still out here. Hey? Well, I don't think anyone's going to do it when I'm out here.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's that side done up. So now we just got to do the other side of the cross member, and then we should be able to put everything back together. And we're going to go for a test drive, see how she drives. I think he does next door. Hey, I think he does next door. He is. How's he over there?
Alright, so right now we're just trying to get the throw bolts in, but it's a little tight in there, so we might not be able to get them in.
Plus, you don't really need them anyway, do you?
No, they're just to stop that overthrow for pushing too hard. Where's my Allen key?
I know it's a different size.
There. I'm just currently trying to find an Allen key that fits. What the hell is that? Alright guys, we're just going for our first test drive with the new shifter. Wow, that feels so much better.
It's so much shorter, so much quicker. Once we go onto the main road, we'll be able to do a second to third and see how that goes out.
Quicker shift times.
Yes, definitely quicker. Alright, so we're just going out to the main road now, so let's see how this is.
Much
That's
better.
much quicker. That second and third, that third back to second is a little difficult because of the heavy duty springs that we put in it, but I'll eventually get used to that. And it's just going to be so much better if I ever go to events such as roll racing and everything like that. I do. I highly recommend this. Getting a short shifter for your car. It makes your short shifter, your shifting so much easier, so much quicker, and in terms of quick shifting, it's just going to give you a faster ride. All in all,
Sounds good.
because you're not, especially if it's manual, you're not wasting times between each gear and neutral trying to get into those gears. Especially second and third. Your second and third shifts can be really hard to do sometimes, because you could miss the gate and then you're sitting there trying to get it in and you're losing speed. So it's much easier to do that, especially with the heavy duty springs. It springs straight into center and it makes it much easier to get into that third gear after second.
Interesting. So, what brand is this?
I'm not sure. I've got to have a look at the brand, but I'll definitely put it in the description. But you can get one from Cube Motorsports as well. They do a really good one as well. Yeah, I got this one off eBay for $68.
Easy install once you have the correct tools,
Yes,
but it is a good upgrade to have.
indeed. It will just make your car way quicker.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think.
Yep. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy.
Cheers.